Hello everyone, I'm Vaishali Wagmare. Welcome you again to the next series of using tenses. A simple present tense using main verb with format 2. Format 2, he, she, it, name of the person, or you can say third person singular. So whenever I want to create a sentence using he, she or it or name of the person, my positive statement will have s or es depending upon the verb, and the negative statement will be created by using does and not. Contracted together becomes doesn't. So there the s of the first verb or the es of the first verb will not be added. Similarly, when I am creating question, I will use does to create a question. There also I will not use any s or es to the verb. So let's see the examples. The examples are she likes to dance. Positive statement. Negative statement, she doesn't like to dance. Positive question 1. Does she like to dance? Negative question 1. Doesn't she like to dance? Positive question 2. Many options. Where does she like to dance? With whom does she like to dance? Why does she like to dance? And in negative question 2, we can use why. Always. Why doesn't she like to dance? So please remember, whenever you're using second format is simple present tense, he, she, it, name of the person, or to make it easy, third person singular. In your first verb, positive statement, you will add s or es to the verb depending upon the verb, and for the negative statement, you will not add s to the verb when you create does, when you add doesn't for the negative or does for making positive questions. Keep watching. Thank you very much.